Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get your money off hold on eBay or release a hold early. Let's get started. So you might notice some payments on your account are on hold. For example, someone buys something from your store, but the payment hasn't cleared yet. To see these, go to Payments, then All Transactions, and click on Hold. Here, you can see all transactions currently on hold. eBay holds payments to protect customers and sellers. Usually, this happens to newer accounts. If you're a new seller, the on-hold status typically lasts for the first 3 months, as long as you remain active on the platform. After that, payments generally clear automatically. One way to release a hold faster is to provide proof that you shipped the item. You can submit tracking numbers or shipping information. This helps eBay confirm the order was fulfilled, and it also protects you if a customer claims they didn't receive it. Another way is to ask the customer to confirm they received the item. Sometimes payments stay on hold until the buyer acknowledges receipt. If they don't respond in, say, 15 days to a month, eBay will automatically release the funds. You can also politely ask them to confirm via the eBay app or website. So, to summarize, first, provide tracking info to prove shipment, and second, ask customers to confirm receipt if necessary. These steps help release payments faster while keeping your account in good standing. All right, that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and check out our next tutorials for more tips on selling on eBay.